In this video, we will talk about what is a fire batt. A fire batt is made of mineral wool or stone wool, and it is a compressed fire batt with an ablative coating on both sides. In the event of a fire, we'll create a crust and reinstate the fire compartment for up to 4 hours. Fire batts can be used within both wall and floor applications and can be fitted both on the outside of the structure and with fixings, and this is called a pattress fit, or within the structure, and this is called a friction fit. Please check out our technical details as to how to install these products and which products they should be used in conjunction with. This product can be cut down to size to fit around existing penetrations or to be sized for the particular aperture that you're seeking to install it in. We stock fire batts from a number of manufacturers, and if you have any questions in relation to whether the fire batt is suitable for your application, or if you have any questions around pipe penetration going through this and whether it's suitable, please don't hesitate to get in touch and our technical team will be glad to help.